comes to intimacy and overall male vitality after the age of 50. Many men are surprised to learn that a simple natural oil like castor oil can play a supportive role. Castor oil has been used for generations as a natural remedy to stimulate circulation, ease tension, and encourage relaxation in the body. When applied externally on the lower abdomen or pelvic region about 30 minutes before intimacy, it can help increase warmth and blood flow to that area, which in turn supports better responsiveness and comfort. Think of it as a gentle way to wake up the body, similar to how stretching wakes up stiff muscles in the morning. It's not a magic trick or a pharmaceutical shortcut, but rather a natural booster that works with your body instead of against it. For many older men, blood circulation becomes less efficient with age, and that can impact confidence and energy levels in intimate situations. By massaging a small amount of castor oil into the skin, you're not only helping the area feel more relaxed, but also creating a simple ritual that signals to the body that it's time to focus and be present. The warmth of the oil combined with the gentle massage helps ease any tension, much like applying lotion to sore knees or shoulders. Only this time, it's used to support a very different kind of function. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity and safety, because castor oil is natural, affordable, and easy to find. Many men also enjoy the calming effect it provides, almost like a mini massage that relaxes the mind as well as the body. And when you're calm, circulation flows more freely, allowing for better results when it matters most. It's a way of preparing not just the body, but also the mindset for intimacy, giving men over 50 a gentle, natural boost that encourages confidence and enjoyment without feeling forced or stressful. As men age, the body's need for essential vitamins becomes even more important, especially when it comes to maintaining energy, strength, and intimacy. 3 of the most valuable nutrients for men over 50 are vitamin D, vitamin B12, and zinc. Each one plays a unique role, yet together they create a strong foundation for vitality. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin because the body naturally produces it when exposed to sunlight. Unfortunately, many older adults don't get enough of it, either because they spend less time outdoors or because the skin becomes less efficient at making it with age. Low vitamin D levels can lead to weaker bones, fatigue, and lower testosterone levels, all of which affect intimacy and overall well-being. A short daily walk in the sun or foods like salmon, fortified milk, and eggs can help keep vitamin D at healthy levels. Vitamin B12 is another essential nutrient that supports nerve function and red blood cell production, both of which are linked to stamina and mental clarity. As men get older, the ability to absorb B12 from food decreases, making it important to eat foods like lean meats, eggs, and dairy, or even consider a simple supplement if needed. When B12 is low, men may feel more tired or less sharp, which directly impacts confidence and energy. Zinc, often overlooked, is a mineral that plays a key role in testosterone production immune strength, and reproductive health. Even a mild zinc deficiency can reduce vitality and make recovery slower. Foods like pumpkin seeds, beans, and shellfish are rich in zinc and can easily be added to a regular diet. What makes these vitamins and minerals powerful is not only what they do individually, but how they work together to keep energy levels steady, circulation strong, and hormone balance healthy. By paying attention to these simple nutrients, older men can create a natural support system that makes daily life feel more energized and intimacy feel more comfortable and rewarding. It's about giving the body what it truly needs in order to keep performing at its best, even after the age of 50. Movement really is one of the simplest and most powerful medicines for men over 50. As the body ages, circulation tends to slow down, muscles become stiffer, and energy can dip more easily. Gentle, consistent movement helps to counteract all of these changes, supporting not just overall health, but also vitality and intimacy. Something as simple as a brisk 20-minute walk in the morning can do wonders for circulation, oxygen flow, and mood. Walking encourages the heart to pump more efficiently, delivering nutrients and oxygen to every part of the body, including areas important for intimacy. This improved blood flow helps keep the body more responsive, while also reducing the risk of stiffness and discomfort that can make daily activities harder. Stretching is another easy yet powerful practice, especially first thing in the morning or before bedtime. Light stretches loosen tight muscles, support better posture, and prevent aches that can sometimes discourage physical activity. Yoga, even in its simplest forms, can be especially helpful because it combines stretching with breathing and balance, which together promote flexibility, calmness, and confidence. Men often think that exercise needs to be intense to make a difference, but in reality, the body responds positively to steady, moderate effort. A short bike ride, a swim at the local pool, or even light gardening all count as meaningful movement that keeps muscles active and circulation strong. Beyond the physical benefits, regular activity also boosts mood by releasing endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. This helps reduce stress and anxiety, both of which can directly interfere with intimacy. The act of moving daily also reinforces a sense of control and purpose, showing that the body is still capable of strength and energy no matter the age. When men stay active, they not only keep their joints and muscles in better shape, but they also maintain a sharper mind, steadier emotions, and greater confidence, all of which add up to a healthier and more fulfilling life. Stress is one of the most overlooked factors that can interfere with both daily energy and intimacy. When stress levels are high, the body produces more cortisol, a hormone that can block testosterone, reduce circulation, and make it harder to relax physically and mentally. For men over 50, learning simple ways to manage stress is not only beneficial for overall health, but also essential for maintaining a healthy, intimate life. One of the easiest techniques is deep breathing. Taking just 5 minutes to sit comfortably and breathe slowly in through the nose and out through the mouth can lower blood pressure, calm the nervous system, and create a sense of balance. This small act signals to the body that it's safe, which helps relax muscles and improve circulation. Music is another powerful tool for relaxation. Listening to calming music before bedtime or even before moments of intimacy can help shift the mind away from worries and create a more peaceful mood. Some men find that soft instrumental sounds or nature tracks help quiet mental noise in a way that feels effortless. Meditation, even for just a few minutes a day, is another practice that can bring significant benefits. There's no need to overcomplicate it. Simply sitting quietly, closing the eyes, and focusing on slow breathing is enough to reduce stress hormones and restore mental clarity. Beyond these individual techniques, lifestyle choices such as spending time outdoors, enjoying a hobby, or sharing laughter with loved ones also reduce stress and create a more relaxed state of mind. When stress is managed, the body is able to respond more naturally, and intimacy becomes less about performance and more about connection. The ability to stay calm and centered not only supports physical function, but also builds confidence, making moments of closeness more enjoyable and fulfilling. Stress management isn't about eliminating all worries, but about creating small daily habits that help the mind and body feel safe, balanced, and ready to embrace life with more ease. Healthy daily habits play a much bigger role in intimacy and vitality than most people realize, especially as the body gets older. Simple things like staying hydrated, eating balanced meals, and getting enough sleep form the foundation for how energized and responsive the body feels. Water is often overlooked, yet dehydration can cause fatigue, muscle cramps, and even make circulation less effective. For older men, sipping water regularly throughout the day helps keep the body functioning smoothly and supports overall stamina. Food choices are just as important. Meals that include colorful vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains provide steady energy without the heavy, sluggish feeling that often comes after eating processed or greasy foods. For example, a light dinner with grilled fish, steamed vegetables, and brown rice not only provides vitamins and minerals, but also keeps the digestive system calm, allowing the body to feel more comfortable and energized later in the evening. Sleep is another key pillar of health that directly influences intimacy. Quality rest allows hormones to reset, muscles to recover, and the mind to recharge. Without enough sleep, stress levels rise, testosterone dips, and energy declines. Creating a routine, such as going to bed at the same time each night, avoiding heavy meals late in the evening, and keeping the bedroom dark and cool, helps improve the quality of rest. Beyond these basics, small lifestyle habits like limiting alcohol, avoiding smoking, and adding a short walk after meals contribute to better blood flow and stronger daily energy. Even spending time with loved ones, sharing laughter, or enjoying hobbies provides emotional nourishment that supports physical health. daily habits align with the body's natural needs. Everything from energy to mood to intimacy feels more balanced and rewarding. These small, consistent actions compound over time, creating a strong base of health that makes it easier for men over 50 to feel confident, capable, and ready to enjoy life with a sense of vitality that continues to grow with age.